Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
We're about to head out now. We're going to be meeting up in like a Walmart parking lot or something. So we're gonna go do that. Got my bag, my laptop, extra shoes, extra hat. Still need to wash the car. It is currently, it's almost 2 right now. We're supposed to meet at 2:30. And I still have to wash the car, so we're gonna go do that now before we don't get to go. You wanna be upset that I'm going? Huh? Well, there you go. Back in 2 days. Alright, feed yourself. Make sure you lock the doors. Wow. It is like perfect outside. Holy crap. And there's the dirty car. Gotta get this thing clean before we go so I don't look like an idiot. Not doing the inside because I don't have time. And I should have slept in. They're meeting there in 15 minutes, and I just left my house. It's going to be interesting trying to make this happen.
Boy forgot his toothbrush and toothpaste. So yeah, way to go, right? About to roll out now. Get everybody behind me, trying to get everybody in a line. I guess we'll have to wait till the freeway to get everybody next to each other. We're on the road, going 10 miles an hour on the freeway.
Don't you just love when you pass these and they blow like dirt and paint all over your car? Like, that's white paint. Like, no, yellow and white paint. Yo, so this was so crazy, all right? So we finally get through all that traffic, like we're free. You know, we all been waiting this entire time to get out of this traffic. It took us 45 minutes just to go probably 15 minutes down the freeway. We finally make it through, and the 350Z, the red one, it's a twin turbo V6. I guess he didn't have forged internals on it, so he has it boosted. I don't know what the specs are on the car or anything, but he comes up over the hill. I'll insert a clip here. Yo, whatever all that smoke is, does not look good. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera, but something just like blew up. Like, what the heck? Dude, it's like smoking up the whole freeway. What is that? I hope that's not somebody's car in the group. I think it might be. Oh no. Sure enough, when I get over the hill, everybody pulls off on the side, and then we see this car, the 350 is like sitting there smoking like crazy. And I'm like, dude, that smells like oil. And we get there, we jack it up, and up underneath, you'll see right here. That's why I push it forward.
Where's it leaking at?
All the way back to South Carolina. He's gonna hop back over there. Huh? Is there a hole over there?
Dude, there's like a hole the size of a baseball.
Hey, watch your head.
Damn.
Hey, you know what AMA?
Basically, there's a hole in the block the size of a baseball. Baseball size hole in the block. Just blew it right out. And all the oil dumped out of this car, like every bit of oil. So they checked the dipstick and they're like, there's nothing. This trip just gets more and more interesting. It's like something's trying to keep us from going, but we're gonna make it. We're finally up to speed. We're doing like 80 miles an hour now. We got everybody in line. I don't think we've lost anybody, but we're headed there now. So hopefully it's a safe trip the entire rest of the way and we don't run into any more of those stupid problems like that. Do you even vape, bro? We made it. That was the worst drive ever. Worst drive. I swear we had to stop, what, 6 times in dead stop traffic in the highway? It's ridiculous.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
Gotta go to the pre-meet. Should be pretty fun. Alright, so first impressions of the pre-meet. It is ridiculous. Dude, there's so many cars here. I thought this was gonna be like 60 people or something. No, dude. No, there's like hundreds of cars here. This is insane.
One of the best to ever do it.
Made it to the pre-meet. This meet is insane. There's so many cars here. I did not expect this many. This is wild. I pulled in, I was like, yo, did we make it? Like, this is crazy. Like, this thing is crazy. This thing is crazy. Check this thing out. This is wild. Look at the shifter, dude. It's so crazy. What?
Dude, he's got the signs in it. Yeah, that's basically what I'm dropping, dude.
First impressions on the Miata. Check it out. Look at the door panels. License plates. Like, this thing is sick. Nothing beats that. That is so cool. It's got like the trucker flaps that open up on the exhaust. That thing is wild, man. And the mesh over the headlights, that's so crazy.
That is quite interesting, actually.
That is. Yo, that is awesome. So as you can see, there's a little bit of everything here. I mean, look at this thing. This FRS. Yeah, it's not a Birds, it's a first. Look at this thing. Look at the poke on this wheel. This is wild. So many, like, I hear so many turbos and 2-steps. I was telling them earlier, it smells like E85 cigarettes and weed out here. I forgot vape. I didn't put vape into that.
What?
Cigarettes, E85, weed, and vape. Vape. Hey, this is an import meat, man. Who drives Mustangs to import meats? I mean, losers, queers. It's almost like I drove one here. The Infinity game here is strong. Like,
Yeah.
check that out. This one. Lost the whole group. I don't know where the group went. I'm always lost. Later lost, that's my thing. The real gyro. Your boy can't afford that shit. It's like $3 grand. Almost can fit.
Almost
Almost pulled a Fast and Furious. Not quite. They're getting there. Whatever that car is over there, that is straight shooting people. I don't know about that. I gotta go find it and see why. Can you say, can I fuck his tailpipe?
Yeah, dude, I fucking love NSXs.
So can I fuck his tailpipe, please? Please. Excuse me, sir. Can I use your tailpipe for a second? Do you mind if I use your dirt?
I gotta release
That is ridiculous that an Avalon has like a two-step on it. You hear that thing? I'm just waiting on it to detonate. I found the crew. I was walking around, I was like, I couldn't find the boys.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
Act like I know where I'm going most of the time. But I don't. I'm gonna go get some food. Like none of us have eaten at all today. Good lord, that was a Corvette.
Yeah.
We made it to the food spot. Food!
I wish Sam's fucking 350 all blacked out, dude.
What's out there? The fucking blind out there.
Hey, bro, let me tell you about it. Fitting it on.
Ooh, I like that writing in the wheel.
Boy.
Hey, what does that say?
Boy, Offset
Kings. Bad quality HD. Hey, look, there's a logo for my company. Say it again.
Do it for the vlog.
We're at Walmart right now. I gotta get a new tripod because this tripod is a piece of shit. Yeah.
Don't
Okay,
tell anybody.
so this is probably not gonna work. Got some fuzzy balls and some super glue. We're gonna try to put on top to get the wind noise down.